Who's being annoying?
Mom tries to pry them from the screen, but snacks and toons are their daily routine. Kids! Anyone in for a fun family game?
Brie, that's my hot dog. You took the one without ketchup. I'm done.
Dinner is a rushed affair. Hot dogs, soda, and no time to share.
Aw, shucks. That's a strike.
Ha! I told you you're lame at this.
Out in the yard, it's another beautiful day, but Berry and Brie have forgotten how to play. Mom and Dad know something must be done. How can we remind the kids how to have fun?
I know, Ashley. It's definitely a challenge. Have you tried Kidstir? My kids spend so much time in the kitchen. These are memories that'll last.
Dad's excited to cook and bake. He clicks subscribe and says, "Just wait." Before you know it, a package is here. It's the Kidstir box. Both kids cheer.
Getting a delivery is fun. It's true. Hey, look, it's addressed to me and you.
Now it's cooking time. Here's the plan. Berry cracks the egg and Brie holds the pan.
As we share this good food, we're making memories too. That's the best part of cooking and laughing with you. Tell us your Kidstir cooking story for a chance to be featured in our next animated short film.